Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today, we're tackling a common problem that many our users face when working with a dplyr. Case_when function. The issue at hand revolves around when to use the .default argument versus setting the last LHS to true. It may seem like a simple decision, but there are some nuances to consider to ensure your code is efficient and future-proof. Now, let's dive into the solution for this problem. As mentioned earlier, both options are currently equivalent in functionality. However, the usage of true as the last LHS value is not recommended and is actually intended to be deprecated. Instead, starting from dplyr 1.1.0, the introduction of the default argument aims to provide a more explicit and readable way to specify a default value. This change ensures safer handling of LHS inputs and encourages users to transition away from using true. In summary, the key takeaway here is to opt for the .default argument when working with dplyr. Case_when. While using true as the last condition currently works, it's best to future-proof your code by embracing the newer and more recommended approach. By making this small adjustment, you can ensure that your code remains robust and aligned with best practices. Well, that's it for today's video. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.